if you want to keep your Microsoft Teams status active without relying on third-party software. This guide is for you. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 tutorials. First, always keep the Teams app open and active on your screen. That means having it maximized and visible so Teams recognizes you as available. If the app is minimized for too long, it can mark you as away, even if you're working. Next, check your personal status. Click on your profile icon at the top right of Teams and make sure it's set to available. Sometimes Teams automatically changes it to away or busy without you noticing, so it's good to double check. Now, here's the key. Adjust your device's sleep settings. If your computer or phone goes to sleep, Teams will also set you to away. On most computers, just open your power and sleep settings, then change your screen and sleep options to never. This ensures your device stays awake and your Teams status stays green. That's it. By keeping Teams active, confirming your status and adjusting sleep settings, you will stay available without installing any extra tools. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips in 2025.